applications and services that are running. And also mechanisms to provide primitives to make the programming of these services easier, so that everyone doesn't have to re-implement this, so that we can all share the same common infrastructure and get all the benefits of that. So in this talk, I'm just going to actually be focusing on the first one. I'd love to talk about some of the second one as well, but we can do it offline, or you can ping me via email. Okay, so to solve this problem, we've built something called Mesos. And the right way to think of it is it's kind of like a data center operating system. Notice operating system quotes here. That really enables applications to share the resources in a cluster efficiently. So Mesos sits above all the nodes, and you can imagine that you're running your Apaches, multiple versions of Hadoop, unicorns, etc. Just a quick caveat to the use of operating system here. Mesos is not a traditional, it's not a replacement for a traditional operating system. You'll still be running Solaris or Linux or whatever else is on these machines. But it gives applications a new API. It gives applications a new interface for actually, gives programmers a new interface for writing these applications in the cluster, and gives the applications primitives for actually doing things in the cluster. So in that way, it's kind of like an operating system, just like our operating systems provide services and primitives to us to enable us to do things more efficiently. Okay, so in this talk, I'm going to talk about the design and architecture of the system that we built. Then I'm going to jump pretty quickly to the implementation and evaluation and how we've actually used this and how well it works and how well it doesn't work. And then also talk about, this is an open source project, so I'll talk about the status of the code and also some preliminary deployments that we've done in a few places to evaluate how worthwhile something like this is. I wanted to mention too that at any point in the talk, if you have questions, feel free to interrupt me and I will go ahead and answer them. Okay.